Hi, I'm Joe Ciccaroni and I'm proud to be the CEO of Community Chef. Community Chef is a social enterprise that was formed by local government to meet the dietary needs of those that are nutritionally at risk in the community, typically those that receive Meals on Wheels. And now we've expanded into hospitals and aged care communities, health and community care, and even child and family services. Community Chef discovered a need to review the formulation of their meals. The elderly cohort were finding it difficult to eat such a large meal. They're old, they're frail, and they don't have big appetites. So to ask someone who's 90 years old to consume a meal that weighs almost a kilo is just not feasible. They were also fearful of wastage. We realised we need to do something about that, and one of the ways we could see that we could have a positive impact on it was by reducing the size of the meals by increasing the nutritional density of the meals. We thought about how we could run that project internally, came to the conclusion we just didn't have the in-house capability to do that. So we made a connection with the CSIRO and through them FIAL, and were able to secure enough funding to get the project off the ground. Because of the relationship with the CSIRO and FIAL, we're able to gain access to the best dietetics minds in Australia, combining that with our own in-house knowledge, and come up with solutions to some of the problems we were facing, able to increase the nutritional density of our meals using natural ingredients like a milk powder, like beans, to boost that nutritional content and get the meal size down. Without the assistance of the FIAL SME Centre and the CSIRO, we wouldn't have been able to take these next advances in our menu development to offer a more nutritionally dense meal that clearly benefits our own business, but something that we're going to make available to the wider community. It also gives us a springboard to approach government and look at a review of the food standards themselves to make sure that they're relevant in today's terms. Other ways in which we're working with local government is in their own social enterprise activities. So Moonee Valley has been really innovative in the way that they're trying to get good nutrition out into their elderly community. They recognise that the face of Meals on Wheels is changing and the whole market's changing. People aren't as sedentary, they're ageing more healthily, which means they're more mobile and they don't want to be sitting at home waiting for someone to knock on their door and deliver a meal. We see our role as adding further benefit to the wider community by providing meals into new markets.